Welcome to the next part of this exercise. So let's carry on with the placement of the stairs, and perform some adjustments regarding the design and location of this second stair. Here we have then the design that we need. Therefore, we can now close this Properties panel, and continue by adjusting the current location of the stair. Here we have the overall design of the stairs now completed. Therefore, we may continue by adding some other necessary details, such as the connection between the stringers of the first stair and the ground floor. Or of course, the very important detail of the railings. And perhaps, a steel grating located on each of these levels. So let's go ahead, and begin working on said group of details. Let's start off for example by creating a simple plate connection between the stringers of the first stair, and the ground floor. Hence let's go back to the top plane of the model, so we can place first the elements of the plates. And now back in the top plane, we may also configure the currently active model view a second time, so only the first stair is visible. Here we have this simple set of connections now completed. And hence, we may carry on with the development of the design of the stairs, and add next the corresponding railings.